Hello everyone, this is GTCO Machinery. We would like to introduce GTCO high-efficiency wood veneer production line for you. The GTCO Machinery veneer production machine can produce veneer sheets at a high speed, reducing production time and increasing efficiency, reduced labor costs. GTCO heavy-duty log debarker machine is a piece of equipment designed to remove the bark from logs quickly and efficiently. GTCO machine uses rotating teeth to strip the bark from the logs, leaving a clean and smooth surface behind. This process is important for the lumber industry as it helps to increase the quality and value of the final product. The log debarker machine can process logs much faster than manual methods, saving time and increasing productivity, and the machine requires minimal maintenance, reducing the cost of upkeep and increasing profitability. High-capacity hydraulic system for efficient log debarking. Adjustable rollers to accommodate logs of varying sizes and shapes, durable construction with heavy-duty components for long-lasting use, easy-to-use controls for simple operation and maintenance, low-maintenance design for reduced downtime and increased productivity. This is the horizontal transmission make log wood from log debarker to log cutting machine. GTCO log cutting saw machine can handle logs of different sizes, with a high cutting capacity and speed, reducing production time and increasing efficiency. GTCO machine can be programmed to adjust the size of the logs according to specific production needs, saving time and labor costs. The safety features in the machine ensure the safety of the operator and the machine, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries in the workplace. The advanced sensors in the machine ensure precise and accurate cutting, minimizing waste and maximizing the yield of the material. Its customizable cutting patterns, precise and accurate cutting, user-friendly interface, and safety features make it a valuable addition to any production line. GTCO veneer peeling machine is a piece of equipment used in the woodworking industry to peel veneers from logs of wood. This machine is designed for efficiency, speed, and accuracy, allowing woodworkers to produce high-quality veneers with ease. It can peel veneers at a high speed, ranging from 45 to 120 meters per minute depending on the model. The high speed and precision cutting features of the machine allow woodworkers to produce more veneers in a shorter amount of time, increasing overall productivity. The uniform thickness and smoothness of the veneers produced by the GTCO machine result in high-quality end products that meet customer requirements. 1. Touching screen control system. You can set all kinds parameters in this system, and language showing in this controlling screen can be translated into your country's own language. 2. The linear speed of host machine and thickness of the core veneer can be adjusted. 3. Servo feeding motor. 4. Automatic lubrication system. Ensure machine running stable, so the using life of the machine is extended. 5. Feeding system is designed into leading screw and screw nut which is made from alloy. It guarantee feeding system synchronizing go forward and backward, so the veneer is in same thickness and smooth surface. GTCO veneer stacker machine can handle sheets of veneer at a rapid pace, significantly reducing the time it takes to stack veneer by hand. The machine's stacking parameters can be customized to accommodate different types of veneer sheets, ensuring a consistent and precise stacking process. The machine's alignment system ensures that veneer sheets are stacked accurately and neatly, reducing the risk of errors and minimizing waste. Anyway, the GTCO wood veneer production machine line is used in a variety of plywood factory, furniture manufacturing, flooring manufacturing, decorative paneling manufacturing. For any interested, please leave message. Thank you.